Welcome back, traders. In this video we're going to be doing the top-down analysis on how to analyze the market from higher time frame to lower time frame and getting a perfect entry to increase your risk to reward ratio, just like this, from daily time frame to 1 hour time frame. If you're a swing trader, watch this video carefully, and then if you're a day trader, watch this video carefully, and also intraday trader, because we're going to be doing the analysis from daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and then like this video. I really appreciate you for that. So sit back and let's get started. The first thing to do is for you to get your buyers from higher time frame. What did I mean by you getting your buyers from higher time frame? Buyers just mean like you getting the direction that price is going to. So with that perspective, you can trade in the direction of that buyers. So if you have to check the charts right now, so we are on daily time frame, we want to get our buyers from daily time frame, and then if you can check the chart right now, you can see that price is going on the bearish direction. Price is forming expansion and then retracements, creating a lower low, then higher low, then another lower low, then higher low. The price creates another lower low, then higher low. So if you check your price, give what a very long bearish lower low. So this is a new lower low, and then this a new higher low, and then this a new lower low. So if you check here, you can see that we have what a break construction in the market. Every single time there's a break construction in the market, it indicates that price is no more going towards that particular direction. If you check, you can see that price again what price is respecting every previous high. You can see that this high right now is not going above this previous high, and also this side is not going above this previous high, this side is not going above this previous high, and also this side is not going above this previous high. But what happened here, you can see that price end up going above this previous high here. So we have what a break construction. What does a break construction mean? A break construction means like we are not more going to the direction we are going before. We are not going to the opposite direction. It's just like a system of which banks is to communicate to banks, institutional trader communicate to its institutional trader on the direction that they want to go to. So we have to delete this path line. So you can see we have what a break construction here. You can see that price eventually break this particular high. As a day trader, most of the time they just make use of this particular order block. You can see the order block here, or go to lower time frame to find a perfect order block. Let's just go to like 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, let's find a better order block. So on 4 hour time frame right now, you can see this is where the break construction is. Let me just move it. So there's the break construction. So on 4 hour time frame right now, you can see this particular moment. There's a particular strategy I'm teaching on this channel. The strategy is so simple and then it's work perfectly. If you see that this particular moment did not break too high at the same time, don't make use of the other block. Use the other block below it. So let me just give you an example of it. You can see that price was coming all the way bearish here. From this high, you have high, then low, high, then low. You can see that price end up, what broke this high is this particular moment that broke this high, but this moment did not break this the next high. Can you see? So we are not going to make use of this particular order block, because this order block is not a strong order block. This order block is not a strong order block. We are going to make use of this particular order block. This order block system. So let me just delete this. So the reason just because this high does not break to level. Anytime you see a price broke one particular level, don't make use of the order block. Make use of the order block below it, and then if price eventually broke too high at the same time, you can make use of the order block straight up without considering any factor. And then you can see right now we can reduce our order block to this level. So this is where the candle starts. This is the last bearish candle before this pull up. So you can make use of this, and then you are going to set what our entry. You're going to set our entry here, and then we are going to set our stop loss. So if you have to set our take profits, you have to go back to daily time frame. Let's go back to daily time frame to set our take profit. Then if you check on daily time frame right now, where are we expecting price to go to? Where are we expecting price to go to? You can see you have a lot of liquidity here that you're expecting price to clear out. This one, we have one liquidity here, we have another one here, we have another one here. So I'm going to be setting our take profit in this liquidity, all this liquidity, because it's just like a price range. This there's possibility of price breaking this, because price going was on a bullish direction, and then the price can consolidate a little bit or come down before breaking this high. So I'll set my take profit here, and then leave the market on time. I'll find another particular entry to break this particular high. So right now we are going to delete all this. We're going to be setting our take profits using this particular high here. So that's where we're going to be setting our take profit. So delete this. So if you check this entry right now, this particular trade is going to give us like 1:10. So that is nice. So right now using 4-hour time frame, 4-hour order block, this is not the lead time frame order block. And so we don't use the full order block, we use 4-hour order block. So if you also like to be using this 4-hour order block, and see the return you're going to be making is 1:10. That means if you're risking $1,000 for this particular trade, you're going to like to make $10,000 in return. So but we are going to like to be going to lower time frame to redefine our entry so you can make more profit. So let's just see how this one goes, and then let's see how it plays out. So let me just play it. You can see price tap into our entry and then come back to tap into it again, and then price start was going on a bullish trend. Let's check. I think so. Then price start being was on a bullish trend. You can see price moving and then eventually hit our take profits. You can see that price eventually gets towards our take profit. So right now the price end up getting to our take profits, and then if you risk $1,000 for this particular trade, you're going to make $10,000 in return. But let's just go back in time and then analyze this area, probably a 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Maybe we are going to see another particular entry that's going to increase our risk to reward ratio. So let me just do that right now. So let's from here, when price tap into our order block. So right now you can see this is the place that price tap into our order block, and then we are going to go back to, like, let me delete this. We already know this one is show 10. So let me delete this. So this order block, you're not going to call it order block, it's going to be what? Our POI. So let me just type POI here. Sorry, this is going to turn to our POI. So you're going to write POI, our point of interest. So expecting price to get into this particular POI. So once price gets into this POI, we start to analyze the market, expecting the same thing that happen here, like a break construction that we have here. It's up to occur on 1 hour time frame, probably on 15 minutes time frame. Then you're going to get another entry and then use it to enter into the trade to get more risk to reward ratio. And then don't forget, this is where we're going to set our take profit. So let me just reduce it and then start to analyze exactly when price enter into our POI. So let me just click on replay. So exactly when price tap into our POI. So let's start the analysis from that place. So if you also like to go down to like a 1 hour time frame right now, you can see, let's go to 1 hour time frame. So a 1 hour time frame right now, you can see that price is forming what? Expansionary retracement, going what? On a bearish direction. You can see we have a very huge pullback that wants to tap into our order block. This expansion, the retracement, then another expansion, the retracement. Then if you have to play it right now, you can see that price eventually tap into our POI. So let's just wait for it for price. Consider price tap into our POI, we'll be expecting what? A break or structure here. So once we see a break or structure here, you can use the order block that's responsible for the break or structure. So right here, we are going to be expecting a break or structure. Once price broke this particular high, we are going to like to make use of the order block responsible for this break or structure. So let me mark this out. And then let's wait for break or structure. So once we see a break or structure in the market, I'm going to like to make use of the order block responsible for the break or structure. So let's just wait for it. So right now we have what? A break or structure in the market, and then according to the analysis and then the strategy I told you guys, if price did not break too high, don't use the order block. Use the order block below it. But if price end up breaking to particular high, you can make use of the order block. You can see right here, price end up breaking this particular high, and then where's just, well, this is the order block. This order block is not a strong order block. You're going to use order block below it, and then if you have to like to check below it, you can see all this high, this two bullish candle. If you go to lower time frame, they're actually a high, you understand? So this one high, price broke this one, and then price end up breaking this one, making this particular order block a strong order block. A strong order block. So yeah, we'll be expecting price to tap into this particular order block. Let me reduce this. Let me reduce our POI. So we'll be expecting price to tap into this particular order block, and then once price tap into this order block, we set what? Our take profit. We set our take profit on daily time frame, which is here. So let's just set up our entry, and then I've given you the reason why we are going to like to be expecting price to tap into this order block. Price end up breaking this particular high, and the what's just waiting for is this movement. Does the movement end up breaking the next side? No. So you're not going to like to be using this particular order block. You're going to like to be using the order block below it. So right now we're going to like to set our entry, and let me move this one a little bit. So you're going to like to set our entry for. So you're going to like to be setting our entry here, and then set our stop loss there, and also set our take profit the same way we set our take profit using our 4-hour time frame or daily time frame. So you can see this is where we set our previous take profits, and then you can check the risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio is 1:32. So if you have like to risk $1,000 for this particular trade, you're going to like to make $32,000 just going down to like lower time frame and then finding a perfect entry using lower time frame, just like a top-down analysis. If you find this video interesting, like right now. If you're yet to like this video and then subscribe. So let's just play it out and then see how it goes. So you can see the price still moving, and then price eventually tap into our entry and then start going what's on a bullish trend. So let me just increase the speed. So price start going what's on a bullish trend. Okay, sorry. So let's see if the price end up getting to our take profit. So you can see price moving so speedily. So at the end of the day, price consolidated. Price did a lot of things. Try to create liquidity for buy and sell. You can see that price eventually tap all this liquidity out just once for people selling the market. And then you can see eventually price still get up. Then okay, let's wait for it. So price pull back a little bit, and then price keep on going, and eventually it our take profits. Can you see it's our take profit? So right now, if you risk $1,000 for this particular trade, you're going to like to make $32,000 in return. So that's just for that. So let's just go down to like 15 minutes time frame. Maybe you can see another particular entry. So don't forget this 1:32. The first one was 1:10. So let's just say if you go down to like 15 minutes time frame, maybe there's possibility of us see like 1:200 or 1:100. So I'm going to be deleting this right now. So let me delete it and then go to like 15 minutes time frame to find a perfect entry again. So I'm going to like to go back to my bar to retest this particular area when price gets into this 1 hour order block. This 1 hour order block, we're going to like to be calling this 1 hour order block our what points POI. The same way we call this 4 hour order block as what our POI. So this 1 hour order block is going to become our next POI if you have to like to go down to like 15 minutes time frame. So let's just go down to like 15 minutes time frame and then let's check it out. So on 15 minutes time frame right now, you can see that price is about to tap into this particular order block. So this one, you're going to write POI the same way we did for 4 hour time frame, and then this is going to be our 1 hour POI. So it's going to be our points of interest POI. So these are our points of interest. Then you want to execute trade on what 15 minutes time frame. So let's just wait for it, and then even check on 15 minutes time frame, you can see that price just going what on a bearish direction. And then let me just play it a little bit to see what happened. So you can see that price eventually end up breaking what structure here. Can you see we have a break of structure here? We have a new break of structure here, and then after this break of structure, what is the order block responsible for it? You can see this particular order block is what's responsible for this break of structure. So let me just draw the order block out, and then we are going to set what our entry using this particular order block, because this order block end up this movement end up breaking structure. So I'm going to like to make use of this particular order block. So let me reduce this. These are 1 hour POI, and then let me set my entry. I'm going to set my entry here. Then I'm going to set my stop loss here. So also we're going to set our take profits the same area we set daily time frame order block take profit, and then 1 hour order block take profit. So we're going to like to set our take profit here. So at the end of the day, you can see this one is going to give us like 1 ratio. Let's check the ratio. 1:61. That means if you're risking the same $1,000 for this particular trade, you're going to like to make $61,000 in return. Just like you're going down to lower time frame, finding your entry, your perfect entry, your perfect just going down to lower time frame, finding a perfect entry to increase your risk to reward ratio. So let's just play it out and then see what happens. So you can see price manipulate a little bit, and then okay, it's like price keep on going up, but let's just increase this. Let's see what happened. Oh, price is going up. So eventually you can see that price is coming down to our order block. Okay, let me increase this. You can see that price tap into what our order block and then start going what on a bullish trend. So let's just see the price going to get our take profits. You already know that the price is going to get to the take profits, so let me just play it out so fast. Let me go to like a 1 hour time frame, so it's copy fast. 1 hour time frame. So you can see if you end up using this 15 minutes order block, and then you are going to make like $61,000, just risk $1,000 for this particular trade. So right now you can see that price eventually it's our take profit. You can see it here. In this just like a top down analysis. You can also go down to lower time frame, just using the same principle, like go down to like 5 minutes time frame, 3 minutes time frame, just getting a perfect entry. So let me just give you a little recap by going down to like 5 minutes, but I'm not going to go down to 5 minutes, but let me just show you guys something. So these are 15 minutes time frame. Let me go back to 15 minutes time frame. So this 15 minutes time frame, let me just give this all as a bonus. On 15 minutes time frame, you can see that price eventually come down to our order block, and then after price test our order block, it went up, breaking structure. Can you see that price end up breaking this high, and this high? So you have a break of structure here also. And then if it goes down to like a lower time frame using this particular, you find what an order block here. You see probably 5 minutes order block here. So you see 5 minutes order block here, and then if you end up setting what's your, let me reduce this, alright, let me delete this. So let me reduce this. This one is going to be what our another POI. You understand? If you are like scalper or intraday trader, you can take this particular trade. Consider this our what another POI, and then we be expecting price to return back to this 5 minutes order block probably. So let me just set up entry. You can see if I end up setting my entry here, and then setting my stop loss using this particular area, and also setting my take profit the same way I set the other take profit. Let's check the ratio. If you check the ratio, this is where our take profit is. If you check the ratio, this is 1:100. Can you see 1:100? Just imagine you risk $1,000 for this particular trade. You're going to make like $100,000 in return in just one single move by going from higher time frame to lower time frame, finding a particular perfect entry. So if you find this video interesting, subscribe and then like this video. I really appreciate you for doing that. Share this video with friends that you also want them to understand this top-down analysis, how to analyze from higher time frame to lower time frame. So see you guys in my next video.